This otter is really ballsy. There's a nesting goose. This is an interesting moment here. We're gonna see how it unfolds. Papa Goose noticed.
Uh-oh, watch out, stinker.
He's coming down to kick some ass.
You're gonna get picked on.
Get him, Papa. Oh yeah, he sees him. He's paddling that way. He's the security department. He's already got his hackles up. If a goose had hackles, those ones are up.
Oh.
Oh, otter's gone.
Who's this?
He gave him the slip.
Is that peekaboo?
That's a scam cam. Papa Goose chased the otter off.
Hello, yeah, you bring your meat. We bring your meat to me. I slice them for you and hot dogs.
She's making.
She hung up.
It's a robot. You can't joke around. You gotta wait till you get the human on there to give him a hard time.
It was a human.
It really was?
Yeah.
Where's that otter hiding at?
Under the dock.
You think so? We haven't seen it pop back up yet. I just seen it over there at Fred's dock.
Oh, there's the bubbles.
Yeah, he took off. There's some bubbles right there. There you go.
Stinker!
Yeah, you better go. He knows he'll get his ass kicked. Good job. Good job, Papa Goose.
Bye, stinker.
Security department.